Welcome to ChesterTourist.com. This is a new series in which I walk around the city centre and point out points of interest to people and tourists. So if you're coming to Chester, there's two places to start really. It's the Town Hall, the Visitor Information Centre, which you have guided tours, or if you want to sort of walk around yourself, self-guided, then a good place to start is somewhere called the Cross, which is dead centre of Chester. So I'll just show you that now. Okay, so we just go for a little walk now and I'll just show you the things around here. This is St. Peter's Church at the Cross, and it's got a cafe just open to the general public. This is the cross pillar. This is where the town crier stands. As This Procker mentions, it's only in the summer months, so in the winter he doesn't do it, so you won't see him really. That's Bridge Street, that goes down to the river, in the Groves. That's Watergate Street, that goes to the race course and the inner ring road, and also you can get to the river there as well. There's a little sign here that says the cross was taken down during the Civil War when the city was under siege, so apparently it was hidden under the steps or somewhere, and it was reinstated in 1975, put back in its original place, so that's the original place. Here's the benches at the cross. This is the wall of St. Peter's. Got some stained glass windows which you can't see unless you're inside. This is Northgate Street, which is one of the main shopping streets. It's not pedestrianised yet. That goes out to Parkgate originally. This is the main shopping street now. This is the main shopping area, which is Eastgate Street. This is where you find all the major stores, and there's a couple of independent shops, but mainly the corporations really. So it's got the rows, and there's also shops in the rows. So it's a tiered gallery. So there's another row, there's another line of shops, and a passageway up there on both sides of the street. We've got an old boot inn, which is an 1643. So that's, I think the building got destroyed in the Civil War, and that was put in its place. Has some goldsmiths building. This is the Browns of Chester, the famous store, which was bought over by Debenhams, which is staying open. I know some of them are closing, but this one's staying open. It's quite large, a department store, like an old-fashioned type really. coming down now to St Werburgh Street, which leads to the cathedral and back round to the town hall as well. And we got Grosvenor Shopping Centre, which is put into an old street called Newgate Street, which leads to the Newgate and Wolfgate. So it's now a covered shopping centre. This is the Grosvenor Hotel. It's a 4-star hotel, which is the main hotel in Chester, which is right next to the famous Eastgate clock and the Eastgate arch. I'll just show you the entrance to the Grosvenor Hotel. And there's a brasserie which anyone can go in, and you can have lunch and look out the window. This is the arch, and you got the walkway from the walls, so you can walk up the steps and go up to the top onto the arch, and you can also walk along the walls all the way round to King Charles Tower if you go that way, or the other way you could walk to the groves in the river, the other way in a race course, and it's a complete circuit, so you can actually walk around a complete circuit in an hour and come back to where you started. And that's the famous turret clock, I believe it's by designed by John Douglas, and it's for the Diamond Jubilee of Queen Victoria, 1897. So we're just going to show you the blue sign that's on this. It's actually on the site of a Roman gateway, Via Principala, which is the main street out of the fort, which was demolished a long time ago. And the present arch, this is 1768, so it's long before the actual clock was put in. So the Earl of Grosvenor paid for it. And it says that the Diamond Jubilee of Queen Victoria, 1897. So we'll finish this tour now, and we'll continue on. We get the just get the other side of the clock. It's a 4-sided clock, so you can see it from all angles if you want to. Some nice lights been put in underneath as well. I believe that's the shield of the Grosvenor family, possibly, with the wheat sheaf underneath. Okay, thanks for watching.